Integrating Klaviyo with Shopify is straightforward and allows you to leverage Klaviyo's advanced email marketing tools with your Shopify store data. Here's how to set it up. Install Klaviyo app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Klaviyo. Install the app and log in or create a new Klaviyo account if you don't have one. Connect to Shopify. In Klaviyo, navigate to Integrations and search for Shopify. Select Add Integration, then input your Shopify store URL to link both platforms. Enable data sync. Once connected, enable data syncing so that Klaviyo can automatically pull customer data, purchase history, and browsing behaviors from Shopify. This information will help personalize your email marketing campaigns. Set up tracking. Klaviyo will install a tracking snippet on your Shopify store, which allows you to track site activity like viewed products and abandoned carts. This is essential for setting up automated flows. Configure flows and segments. In Klaviyo, use this data to create automated email flows, such as welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. You can also create segments based on customer behavior and purchase history.